I low-key feel like the wig looks fine just like this, but I am going to go in and wet the hair down to define the curls. But I got something that I would personally normally never get, and that is a very high density wig. This is from Wiggins Hair. This is a 13x4 curly wig, and I have it in 18 inches, and the density, you guys, this is 250% density. So this is a lot of hair. So for those of you guys who like really big hair, and I feel like when it's curly hair, then it's kind of like it's okay, but just know that this hair is super full and luscious from roots to ends. I'll show you guys what the back is looking like before I even touch it and do anything to it. So this is the curl pattern straight out of the packaging. Of course, once I put water to that and use my Denman brush, that is going to change. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me do that. And I've had their curly hair before, and it's pretty good. I just have never got such a high density wig like this, but it makes it look really natural. And I've seen some other young ladies videos on this exact wig, and I just loved how they like, you know, shape the hair to get it to look even more natural. So I will low-key leave it like this, but I'm going to go ahead and manipulate it just so that once you guys see the curls defined, or if you've seen any other people's videos with this wig and you notice that the curls is different from what you see out the package, it's because everybody goes in and defines their curls differently. So the curl pattern that you see typically is not what it's going to stay like. It low-key looks like kinky curly hair, but I guess this is just their regular curly unit, but that's pretty much what it's giving, if I could kind of find a way to describe it. They did a phenomenal job. I'm gonna have to work on this piece. Frontals, not my thing, so I try to do the best that I can, but I'm gonna try to hide that because I don't like to wrestle with this area that's kind of like visible. Outside of the little issues I'm having with laying the ear tabs, and trust me, it's not the wig, it's definitely me. They did a wonderful job with plucking this unit, like plucking it and bleaching it. I love that the knots are not over bleached or anything. The hair is plucked pretty nicely. Now if you find that you wanted to go in and pluck it a little bit more, which I feel like it doesn't need it, but if you wanted to, then you definitely could. I'm just going to let you guys watch me define the curls. I am going to kind of shape it a little bit better, especially around my face area, and then I'm going to probably dry it with the diffuser, and then we'll see what it's looking like. Okay, so this is what one side is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera because, like I said, I'm just using the brush and kind of really dragging it down so that it helps form the curls, and then nothing but just water. So this is what we got so far. And then this is what it turns out looking like. Again, if you are somebody that likes really big, full, fluffy hair, then this wig would be perfect for you. Of course, with this being a 13x4 lace size, you can do a side part with it if you wanted to. It'll be kind of cut and kind of close, but you can, it's curly hair, so even if you do just like a no side part, just kind of like a little curly flip over type situation. It's still going to look good either way. I just left it in the middle part that it originally came in. I was mostly impressed with the lace. Wiggins Hair does not disappoint in that area. I've always been a big fan of their lace. Their lace is very thin and it melts very nicely. This is glueless. I applied this using the Kiss lace spray. I'll link it down below in my description box just in case you guys are interested, and a little bit of the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Same products that I would always use for my glueless wig installs. And what else was I seeing? I really don't have any complaints with this wig. Yes, it's curly hair, so it's going to shed a little bit more than any other texture would, so that is to be expected. The shedding is not super crazy, honestly. I'm looking at the hair on the floor. That's what I cut off. That's not the shed hair. Really, the shed hair is only what's in the brush. You guys can see that that's really not a lot at all. Like I mentioned earlier, the knots are bleached to perfection and they did an amazing job with plucking this hairline as well. So if this is something that you find yourself being interested in, I will have it linked for you guys down below in my description box. If I missed anything or you guys have any extra questions, you guys already know you can leave them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.